Welcome to my another video, and today I am sitting in the newly launched Volkswagen Tiguan which I am gonna review today. So let us get started with the video. This is the new Volkswagen Tiguan which comes with the IQ light which works as a fog lamp, and it also gets the LED DRLs, and on below you get this fake vents, chrome finish skid plates, again a chrome finish strip over above. Tiguan has been given, big Volkswagen logo, chrome strips. It gives quite aggressive and bold look to the car. Well, talking about the IQ light, whenever you are going towards certain direction, these lights will automatically sense and then give the power accordingly. For example, if you are moving towards the tunnel in the right, then it will automatically shift the light towards the right. And comes with this 18-inch alloy wheels, electrically adjustable ORVMs, and the request sensor which is hidden over here. Carefully you need to see it. Also gets the IQ LED tail lamps. These are quite good. This gives a impressive look, bold look to the car. And this is the 4-motion badging, 4-motion variant. Whole red line, chrome finish below also, skid plates. Now let us check out the boot. One special feature on the Tiguan is this boot button. When you press this boot button, the whole boot opens up. And you even get this button for closing the door, closing the boot, I mean. Big space, leading lamps as well. Let us close the boot now. Let us now check out the front seats as well as the rear seats. Let us unlock the car. The way this opens gives a satisfactory feeling. Red strips. These are the ambient lights. Smooth steering wheel with the steering mounted controls given over here and the cruise control given over here. And this is the digital instrument cluster which is similar to the Volkswagen Tiguan, and yeah, it is more of a virtual cockpit display. And the infotainment display, touchscreen infotainment display. Well, this kind of feature that you are seeing over here is similar in the mobile phones, because in mobile phones we find a feature called as always on display. This is similar to that. Yeah. And the automatic climate control AC with wireless charging pad, and here are the 2 USB Type-C ports, start stop engine button, and the parking brake, along with the auto hold button, which is a premium feature, but I've seen this kind of feature even in the XUV 700. And you can even select the different driving modes. Yeah, you need to on this before selecting the mode. Sport mode. In the sport mode it gets this red color design, which is also good even in the digital instrument cluster. Now in the snow driving profile it gets blue. Different. And this is off-roading. In off-road you get this green color. That's a good thing. And yeah, it gets this cool glove box and the sunroof controls. This sunblind automatically goes back. It's a panoramic sunroof. If you press this button again, this gets cool. It's very difficult to show you. You have to experience it in the real life. Anyways, let us get ahead. Let us close this sunblind. And talking about the leg space, there's a good amount of leg space. Even I push these seats ahead, there's a good amount of space left. And for pushing the seats, you need to press this button given over here. It's not manual, and pulling back. And these are the controls given 1, 2 and 3. While talking about the headroom is also good. Even a taller person can sit over here, and the seats are also quite comfortable, as you can see. And this is the boot button and the light controls. Let us now check out the rear seats. The ambient lighting strip, it gives a premium feeling to the car and as well as the passengers. These ambient lightings are as per the different modes you have selected. The mode which I have selected and off the car is the off-roading mode. That's why it's showing green color. And yeah, the sunroof, as I showed you earlier. Rear AC vents also are there. Type C USB port is given over here, and this is the power outlet. Well, the leg space is also good in the rear seat as in the front seat. As you can see, I can clearly stretch my full legs over here, and also the under thigh support is also good. And it gets this nets on the seats, and the headroom is also good because it does not touch with my head. Since I am 5'7", I can sit here. More healthy and a taller person can also sit in this car, which is quite a good feature and also suitable for the long drives. And it gets this twin cup holders with the armrest. Reading lamps on this side as well as this side. The seats are not split seats. Well, Volkswagen Tiguan is a premium SUV in my opinion, and it is suitable for the taller as well as the healthy persons over a longer period of time and longer journeys. Also, if you love this video, give it a like, share and comment which feature of the Volkswagen Tiguan you love the most, and also subscribe to our channel for the exclusive scopes, news and automobile reviews. Till then, bye bye. See you in next video.